Oh, hey guys, I'm pretty sure y'all said that you wanted a haul. I think I just heard you say that. I don't want to ignore you and be rude. First thing I pulled out is this crop like sweater. And it has a butterfly on it. I'm not even looking, I'm just showing y'all how nice of me. And like, whenever I was gonna order it, I was like, I want a butterfly. But you can't even really tell it's a butterfly. That's cute. I really like it. This is so cute. I already know what it is, because I ordered it. What in the fuck? This is size extra small. It takes up like the whole fucking frame. Okay, that's pretty cute. Okay, it just looked weird. I was a little bit concerned. Not anymore. I'm super happy. Okay. Ooh, guys. Okay, this. Guys, okay, I cleaned out my swimsuit drawer because most of them were size extra small. I ain't no extra small, I'm a small now. No, I took out all the ones that didn't fit, and I kind of don't have a lot. And so I saw this, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. $315 was how much it usually is, and I got it on sale. And then I got it on another sale, so it's 50 bucks. Clothing on them. Oh my god, that is so cute. Fuck. God, I'm so happy I got this. Are you kidding me? And I also like the bottoms because they look like they're just regular cheekster. They're not thong or nothing. Like, I don't like having floss up my ass. Don't know, don't care. That's pretty funny. Okay, next, this is the only pair of pants that I got. Everything I got was on sale. Boot cut, cargo. Let's see. Does it look like I have a penis? No, yeah, these are cute. Okay, next. Last thing. Guys, don't be sad. I have more stuff coming next week. You know why? Financial aid. I'm not rich. I'm poor, actually, so I got free money, which led me to get these. A month ago when I knew I was going to get this money, and I checked or thought about the order or went to look at my cart just to daydream the other day I'd get them, and this, I finally got it. My dreams come true. Oh, I got this from Tilly's. It's so cute. These new shoes I got from Jeffrey's Campbell. So cute. Clogs? It's me again. Got another order. Urban had extra 40% off their sale items. So some of the items that I have been wanting for a long time ended up like coming on sale. And then it's an extra 40% off, so I'm not gonna miss out. So let me show you what I got. Though I really felt it because say I looked at my bank and all of a sudden I was negative 120 bucks. Okay. Oopsies. Worth it though. Okay, first, I feel like the lighting's weird. Close. First up is this. If I can get this to zip. That's so cute. It's pretty cute with the shirt too, which I also got from Urban in an order that oopsies, I forgot to show you. So I'm gonna show you that also, but they're already out of the bag. This is just a cami. I think I got this skirt for like $5 or 10 bucks. Wow, wow. Next I got this. This looked different online, but it's okay. Maybe it'll be cute. I cannot zip anything. It's like, oh my god. No. It's not like it's too small. It's literally the zipper. Now it's pulling from the other side. Fuck this. I'm so fucking done with that. Okay, here's some other things that I've gotten. These ones are from Hot Topic. Okay, this one is from Urban Outfitters, and it is top I'm wearing in black. Maybe I actually never showed y'all because I didn't ever show y'all, but I have the same one in green and white and orange. Oh! Perfect! I got this one from Hot Topic. Then I got this from Hot Topic as well. And this jacket has the studs right there. I really like it. Got this. We can open this now. Something in my hair. Okay, I got this tube top from Urban. Look as bad as I think. This one is so cute. It's like ruched all down it. I also got some other clothes from Urban. Dude, I think it's worth it. The sleeves. Because I hate, the biggest thing I fucking hate is when my sleeves are short. I got this from Urban too. It's super cute. I already wore it. Though, duh, everything is super cute because I ordered it. Speaking of super cute, this fucking skirt. Guys, it's so soft. It's like a lounge skirt. I got this from Urban. I can't record myself. I can't. Without being cringy. I'm sorry. I have not done that in so long. I'm gonna go to the garage and I'll be back. Hopefully better. Wow, this is really cute. I left my black cami on that I already had underneath the lace shirt I was just wearing. I fucking love how the sleeves are mesh, I guess. God, this is so cute. But that kind of looks a little bit silly. I can't tell, but maybe I could style it good. I also went thrifting. So first of all, I haven't been thrifting in a minute, and whenever I go back, I went to the purses. Every single purse, doesn't matter the brand, like if it's a fucking name brand or not, at least 20 bucks. What is up? And the leather jackets, like it doesn't matter if they were the fakest leather ever, at least $80. I found a leather jacket. It was $80. But it was 75% off. It's brown. This is so cute. This says it's real genuine leather. Okay, this is clothes, but I also went CD shopping and I also got this poster. I feel like, yes, this is a cute color. Really? And it's brand new. It has the tags on it. The straps are like that. Okay, and then this shirt, I had like a shirt just like this in my cart at Tilly's or PacSun or somewhere. And I saw this there and I was like, let me get this because if it's like $2, like, I could just delete it from my cart. Okay, that's pretty cute, I think. This, like, it looks like it's super slim fitting or like tight fitting, I mean. Oh my god, yeah. Whoa. It's definitely gonna stretch. Oh, I also got this camera. Refillable Kodak camera. The circular film. Let me show you the dopest shoes ever. Are you ready? Feast your fucking eyes. Are you serious? They're from Jeffrey Campbell, and I need the red. I need the wine color so bad. $150 I spent on this. So worth it. Yes, 1,000 times fucking yes. You're kidding. So I also got this choker I'm wearing. I got this necklace. It says dad. Then I got these hair rings. I already wore this one. It's a little cute little cross. That one is so fucking cute. I can't wait to wear that one. And I placed an order on Shein for like a bunch of hair accessories because I really want to start doing like my hair more with my outfits. I think it would be a really nice touch too. And the CDs that I bought were the one that you're hearing right now, 311 Greatest Hits, 9 Inch Nails, Third Eye Blind, Top Nick, Stone Temple Pilots, Strokes. Alright, you want to see what else I got? I got this super cute rig. This is my first rig ever. So cute. I didn't put the top piece in because, well, I don't have any wax to use for it. But you know what else I also got? A coffin ashtray and a skull joint holder from Burning Love, and I've bought from them before, and I had no idea I was getting like scammed the whole time because the coffin ashtray and the joint holder came, and it came with like a Chinese sticker on it, and I was like, this is from Shein. I searched it up on Shein. It's right there. They got me for more than fucking double the price. Guys, if you didn't know, you can get bongs and pipes on Shein. You can also get it on AliExpress or DHgate. Also has them for pretty fucking cheap. Though, I did search for a while and I never saw this one. So I never searched up rig. I got the other part of my Urban Outfitter order, so I'll show you. Also, I'm wearing this today, so I'll show you my outfit while I'm here. Worn with my Adidas Superstars. Okay, it came in a box, which is really weird because it's like not a lot. So, I got another skirt first of all. Let's hope it fucking zips. I'm excited because I don't ever wear skirts, but maybe one day I will. And I'll have really cute options. Okay, next I got this belt. I have no accessories like whatsoever. And I really am trying to get some more, so hence why I ordered a bunch of accessories from Shein. That's pretty cute. I've been waiting to get this for so long. This I didn't realize had an open back. Oh my god. I haven't gotten it all the way. Holy fuck, is this like an extra small? Maybe, no, that's pretty tight I think, maybe. I don't know. Let me just fluctuate. That is so cute. Yeah, I think this might be too small. I think I could have used a size up. I'm Tina the Talking Tubby. I'm so scared to watch this back and see my man back. At least I'm self-aware. Right? The skirt is super cute. I really like the skirt. I really like the top too. Maybe I love the top. I ordered from Minga London and it's my first time ordering from them. Holy fuck, I will be ordering again because I got a free sticker. And the packaging that it came in, like you could tell before even opening it that it's gonna be good. You're definitely getting your money's worth. I got this messenger bag. And the inside is like, there's a pocket here. And it was on sale. And I got these leg warmers. They might look a little funny on, but I bet they're gonna be so cute on because in the photos it was like bunched up. And they have a matching scarf that I want. But I purposely didn't order it because I'm gonna order it again. Get the matching scarf for this and matching leg warmers for the scarf that I ordered. They have like 4 colors and I want like 3 of them really badly, but they're out of stock. Sad. Next I got this shirt. This is like 9-inch nails. This is so cute though. And the fit of it and the quality of all of these, I just can't stop talking about it because it's that fucking good. It says like random stuff, you know, but it's not the point of it, so it doesn't fucking matter that you don't get it. Same with the bag, okay? And like Urban Outfitters has a lot of this stuff, the star shit. I don't know, I'm not really that big of a fan of all that star stuff, but this is really cute because it's like striped. I also got a leather jacket, a fake leather jacket, because a real leather jacket is like fucking an arm. Oh my god. It's so cute. This one's from Levi's. And it came on the hanger. They mailed it to me on the hanger. They literally did the work for me. Bless their hearts for that. You like my outfit? Well, that's super cute. Okay, and the last thing I have to present to y'all is Shein hair accessories. I already emptied them out into here. I've got hair cuffs, hair rings, clips, these little mini claw clips. I have these size in black or this color, brown. And I have these little ones in this maroon color, brown, green, and navy. Different size hair cuffs and different styles. Yeah, anyways, this one is super cute. I'm excited to use this one. Let's see what else I got. I have a bunch of different types of hair rings. That one's just plain. I've got these hair beads. Like, I have no excuse not to accessorize. But I also got ones with skull spider. I'm gonna quit looking now. I also got this, a hair pitchfork. Also got bobby pins and like. Okay, I'm actually finding an outfit right now. Here is the top. I feel like the top's good. I don't think it's really, whoa, exposed. I turned my TV on a white light because my lighting's terrible and it just switched to a fucking ad. It really exposed me. Hold on a second. I don't think it's going together, but the skirt is so fucking cute. Also, that skirt that is broken, I told them and they have no more. Just wanted a replacement. Instead, I got a refund. I'm so sad. I don't know what else to wear with this. A black skirt? I don't really have a black skirt. Okay, this doesn't look that bad, I don't think. But I am gonna ask my mother for verification.